Weather shapes our world. It dictates our clothes, our activities, even our moods. Knowing the weather helps us prepare for each day. But how do we know what the weather will be? This is where weather instruments come in. They are the tools that unlock the secrets of rain, wind, sunshine, and more. These clever devices allow us to measure the elements that make up our weather. By understanding these elements, we can predict upcoming changes and make informed decisions. From farmers planning their crops to pilots navigating the skies, weather instruments play a crucial role in our lives. Let's explore some of these fascinating tools and learn how they work. One of the most fundamental aspects of weather is temperature. It's the measure of how hot or cold the air is. To measure temperature, we use an instrument called a thermometer. You've likely seen one before, perhaps even used one to check for a fever. Thermometers work based on a simple principle. Most substances expand when heated and contract when cooled. A typical thermometer contains a liquid like mercury or alcohol in a thin glass tube. As the air temperature rises, the liquid inside the thermometer heats up and expands, climbing up the tube. Conversely, when the air cools, the liquid contracts and goes down the tube. The markings on the tube allow us to read the exact temperature. Have you ever felt your ears pop when you're on an airplane or driving up a mountain? That's because of air pressure. Air has weight, and the higher you go, the less air there is pushing down on you. A barometer is an instrument that measures this air pressure. There are different types of barometers, but one common type uses a sealed capsule of air. As the air pressure around us increases, it presses on the capsule, causing it to slightly compress. This compression is then amplified by a system of levers and springs connected to a needle on a dial. The needle moves along the dial, indicating the air pressure. High air pressure usually signifies calm, clear weather, while low air pressure often precedes storms. Wind is another important element of weather. It's simply air in motion, and we can feel its force as a gentle breeze or a powerful gust. To measure wind speed, we use an instrument called an anemometer. The most common type of anemometer has 3 or 4 cups mounted on arms that spin freely on a vertical shaft. As the wind blows, it catches the cups, causing them to rotate. The faster the wind blows, the faster the cups spin. This rotation is measured electronically or mechanically, giving us a reading of the wind speed. But our exploration of weather instruments doesn't end there. We also have rain gauges to measure rainfall, hygrometers to measure humidity, which is the amount of moisture in the air, and wind vanes to tell us the direction of the wind. Each instrument plays a vital role in helping us understand and predict the weather, making our lives safer and more predictable.